Alright, welcome ladies and gentlemen. Today's training in the Real Estate Leads Magnet Masterclass. Today's training we're going to be talking about email marketing. So the platform we're going to be using is Mailchimp. So what I do, I go over to my browser here, okay, and I open a new tab. That's the plus sign. Then I click on, then I type in Mailchimp.com. So that's Mailchimp.com. As I said earlier, there are other kinds of platforms that you can use, but for beginners I tend to encourage them to use Mailchimp because it's easy to use and cheaper to use, and there's a free version. You understand? You can sign up for free, you can use their service without paying, but it has limited features. So we're going to create an account now. You can see this is the Mailchimp platform, and we're going to click sign up for free. Sign up for free here. So click on sign up for free. Okay, so they'll ask you for your email. It's good you already have an email that you're using. So I have an email already, and this is Veda Realtors Network. So my email is veda.rn@gmail.com. Please use an email that is accessible because they're going to ask for you to activate your account. So here my username is VedaRN, Veda.rn, meaning Veda Realtors Network. My password, you can see there are options for what your password should look like: one lowercase, one uppercase, one special character, one number, and 8 characters minimum. So I'm going to use a password that is very secure and mixed numbers, and you can see your password is secure and you're all set. Okay, then I can click sign up. But here you give your option: I don't want to receive emails about new Mailchimp products, best practices, or special offers. So you just click on sign up, and you can see check your email. We've sent a message to veda.rn@gmail with a link to activate your account. So you have to go over to your email. That's why I said that you must make sure your email is available, accessible, so I can use that to activate my Mailchimp account. So as I said, so we go to our email. We go to our email to activate the Mailchimp account. Go to our email to activate the Mailchimp account. Make sure you can access your email. Use an email, as I said, that is functional. Log it into the email. You can see there, that's activate your Mailchimp account. We click on it. It's in our inbox. So you're here. We're glad you're here. Veda RN, that's Veda Realtors Network. Activate account. I click on that, and it says confirm you're human. Since you made it this far, I want to assume you're a real live human, but we need to be super sure you aren't a robot. So click I'm not a robot. So that is that. You can see why I say I like us to use Mailchimp, because there's the free option. Essentials is there, standard is there, and premium. But if you want to get the most out of Mailchimp, you can see Mailchimp even recommends standard, which is $14.99 a month. That's about $15 a month. That's about 5,000 plus. So either you take this option, or for now you go for the free option. The thing about the free option is that in the free option you can't do automation, but in the standard option you can do automation. But to help us open this account now, just click on the free option. When I'm teaching the automation, I'll take you to an account that I'm managing that already has a standard option that we can run the automation on. So we'll click on the free option and we do complete. So we're still setting up our account. So first name Veda, last name Realtors Network, okay, continue. Tell us the name of your business. Veda Realtors Network, Veda Realtors Network. Okay, do you have a website? You can click on no and continue. If you have a website, you click on yes. If you don't have a website, you click on no and you continue. So you now put in your address. Put in an address that is accessible. Number 3, Bola Lawal Street, Majek, Aja, Lagos. Zip code, leave it like leave everything like that. You can put your phone number. It says optional, or just continue. Do you have any contact here? Please be very careful in whatever you click here. It's good you click on yes, because you might be importing contacts out of Mailchimp, instead of using a lead generation. You can get contact from outside and you want to add to your contacts here on Mailchimp. So please say yes. If you say no and you want to add an external contact later, it will not allow you to. So we click on yes. How many email subscribers? Just leave it to 500 or less. Then you continue. So what do you offer? They're asking you what plan, what's your content about. Physical goods, technology or software, original content, services, others. You can just say others and go on, or say services. Leave this. Just say services and continue. Where can people access your offerings? Another business location app, another business website, our website, our own physical store location. You can just click on that, our own physical store location, because you want them to come for inspection. Then you continue. You are ready to go. Now that we know more about you, we'll be able to recommend the best marketing moves for you in future. If you want to subscribe to any of this, you can. If you don't want to, which is not very necessary, you just hit on let's go. So now your Mailchimp account has been fully set up, and like Mailchimp said, you are almost there. They want us to design your first email, but instead of going straight to design your first email, you have to understand everything on this menu bar. You have to understand everything on this menu bar. First of all, create. This is where you create whatever you want to do. Either an email, you want to create an ad, you want to create a website. This is a new feature from Mailchimp, but you might not need this. Whether you want to create a landing page, whether you want to create a survey, a social post, sign up form. What we'll be dealing mostly here is with an email. We'll create an email. That'll be most of the things we'll be doing here. And then the next one is campaign. What is a campaign? A campaign is when you want to do what kind of email you want to send out. You understand? To maybe you have an audience. That some people have subscribed right to your, either from your ad. You have gotten leads from your ad, and they are now on your Mailchimp account. You have connected it. Whatever you send to those group of people is called a campaign, and a campaign can be a one-off message or a series of messages in automation. And for this particular course, it will be about automation. Are you seeing? So right now we don't have any contacts. That's why you're not seeing any contacts here or anything. You have not created any audience. There's nothing here. But when you create the audience and start sending out campaigns to them, you see, you see all the details here. So the next one here is automate. This is where we're also going to concern us. In automation, this is where you set up mails that will be going to your clients or your customers or your leads regularly as you schedule it. Maybe you want to run a series of 16 mails every day for the next 16 days. You just set it up and leave it. The mails will be sending by itself. You understand? That's what we call automation. So this is part of the things you will learn to make you to be able to automate necessary messages to your contacts that have subscribed for your product, or have subscribed and sent you their contact as a lead after you have done your ad on the social media platform. Then audiences is where your list of audiences, like now if you do an ad for a particular product and you a lead ad where your own is to collect your aim or your objective is to collect quality leads, and you connect it to this CRM, automatically they will be under a particular audience. You understand? So the audience will be here. Then if you now do another ad for that product, that will be a separate audience. So each audience will be listed out here. You understand? But first of all, you have to create the audience here before you link it up and allow it to run. So branding, if you want to brand, that's when you go for the paid option. Brand your templates, brand your website, and so on. Then this is an important tool you also need to know. This is reports. Whatever you have done, to see how many people have clicked, to see if your automation is successful, this is where you see everything. Okay, so this is how your Mailchimp will look like at first. But when you start to work, you begin to see changes. I'll show you another account that I'm working on and I'm managing, and you'll see that all the different things that are on that account is quite different from here. So the essence of this is for you to understand that when you are building, before you build the automation, you must have an audience created. You understand? You must have a sign up form created. You understand? So first of all, we want to automate messages, right? We want to automate emails. Okay, we'll click on that. Regular emails, automated. Which one? Email subscribers when they are tagged, send an email to subscriber when they are tagged, share blog post, blah blah blah, or welcome new subscribers. So this is what you do. Since these are the subscribers that will just come in, the first thing you will do, the first automation you create is welcome new subscribers. So that is the automation you're going to pick. Then you want a single welcome email from Traders Realtors Network. You can do an onboarding series. You understand? But as I said, you can see this will require you to pay money. Education series, this will require you to pay money. A single email is the only one that will require you. That's the only one you can send now if you are using a free account. But as I said, it is good you can do this first of all and send a mail to all the contacts, and in the mail you structure the copy of the mail in such a way that it makes the customer to take the next action, which might be to WhatsApp you. You can structure the message and put in a link for a WhatsApp a message that the client or the customer, when he reads, will likely click on that link to get in touch with you. So if you don't have the resources now to pay for the standard version and be able to enjoy all the features, so that is that about this one. I've created this new profile. Now I'm going to go into a profile that already has all. I've paid for the features, and you have paid for the features, and you can do the automation. So I'll teach you how to set up the automation. Okay, how to set up the automation and how to set up, create a sign up form for audiences. So hope you've understood what we're talking about here. Any questions before I move on to the next?